Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door cylinder. Changing a door cylinder is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance your home's security. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all necessary tools and ensure your replacement cylinder is the correct type and size. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient, saving you time and effort. Now, let's remove the old cylinder. First, open your door and locate the retaining screw on the door's edge, typically near the latch. Unscrew this single screw completely. Next, insert your key into the cylinder and turn it about 25 degrees in either direction. This action aligns the cam, allowing you to gently pull the cylinder straight out from the door. It should slide out with minimal resistance. Accurate measurement is key to a successful replacement. With the old cylinder removed, measure from the center of the retaining screw hole to the outside edge on both sides. For example, you might have measurements like 35 mm by 45 mm. Also, identify the cylinder's profile, such as a Euro profile. Select a new cylinder that precisely matches these dimensions and profile for optimal security and function. Finally, let's install your new cylinder. Insert the new cylinder into the door, making sure the cam is aligned horizontally. You might need to turn the key slightly to achieve this. Once it's in place, reinsert the retaining screw on the door's edge and tighten it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Test the new lock with your key several times to ensure it turns smoothly and locks securely from both sides. Congratulations, you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.